How was our driveway before?
Our driveway was a disaster. It was broken in multiple spots. There was about a 3-inch lip at the beginning there where we had to drive in and bump over to walk into the garage. So it was a mess.
Yeah, it was my warning that I was heading into the garage, is the bump onto the driveway.
I mean, there was so much settlement where we would drive in that I still expect to feel that bump when we walk in, but now it's completely smooth. So I still have that expectation that that's my way in and out of the garage, but I don't feel a thing. It's perfectly smooth.
We don't have to worry about the kids when they're coming in and out on their bikes or their scooters or any of those things. It's just a nice smooth ride right into the garage.
So the process working with J&W was really seamless. They were professional. They came and gave us an accurate quote. We could do things online. It was efficient. Everyone showed up on time. Overall, I was really impressed. Yeah, I appreciated just how easy it was to get the quote online, to accept the bid, to then get a follow-up phone call to set expectations for when they were going to arrive. Overall, I just thought it was easy.
Super friendly service, easy to work with, kind people. Overall, just a really great experience.